I have to admit, I just learned how to make today's dish. We are not used to eating fried food, as it's not a regular part of our diet. But in life, we all need to add a little variety. That's part of the simple warmth of real, everyday life. After learning, it suddenly struck me that making these crispy pork bites isn't actually difficult. In fact, it's easier than many other home-style dishes. Let's get started. First, cut the scallions into long sections and place them on a plate. Then, pour boiling water over them. This is the key to keeping the scallions fresh and green. If you skip this step, the scallions will turn yellow and burnt during stir-frying, which will not only ruin their appearance, but also negatively affect the flavor. Let's also prep the tenderloin. Cut into 1 centimeter thick strips. The tenderloin is prepped. The scallions should be ready to come out of the water now. First, mince the scallions. Then continue to chopping them into a paste. This step requires patience. I chopped for quite a while. The finer the paste, the more easily it will adhere to the pork, enhancing the final flavor. Add the chopped scallions to the meat strips. Now, let's season it. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and a suitable amount of pepper. Mix well in one direction until fully seasoned. Now, let's prepare the batter for the crispy pork. Combine 40 grams of all-purpose flour, 20 grams of sweet potato starch, and a pinch of salt. This not only forms the coating, but also seasons it. Here's the key. You must use beer instead of water to mix the batter. This ensures the pork stays crispy even after it cools. Many recipes call for an egg, but I don't recommend it. While it gives a good texture when hot, the egg causes the coating to soften and become unpleasantly mushy as it cools. The essence of this dish lies entirely in its crispiness. After fully mixing the batter, add it to the pork strips. And stir well with chopsticks. These are all the ingredients for today. Turn on the heat. After heating the wok, add a sufficient amount of cooking oil. That's a lot of oil, so it takes a while to heat up. It's crucial to wait until the oil is fully heated. To test it, insert a chopstick into the oil. When you see a steady stream of small bubbles rapidly forming around it, the oil is at the right temperature. To test the oil, add 1 strip of pork. If it floats up promptly, the oil is at the correct temperature. Then, reduce the heat to low and add the remaining pork strips one by one. It seems that some of them are stuck together, but it doesn't matter. Just gently stir them after shaping and it's okay. It doesn't affect the taste at all. When the surface is slightly golden, drain the oil. After removing all, turn to medium heat and continue to raise the oil temperature. Then pour the fried pork back into the oil wok and fry again. When the surface is more golden and crispy, drain the oil. I put 2 kitchen towels in the basin to absorb the oil. Turn off the heat. Okay? It's ready to serve. This is a dish that can definitely be added to your recipe. It's not only delicious, but also very easy to make. I succeeded on my first attempt. My son wanted to eat more. He urged me to make it again. You can drizzle some of your favorite sauce. I drizzled it with honey mustard sauce. It tastes amazing. Loving what you see? Smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and save this video to your favorites. We appreciate you. Alright, get cooking, everyone. And be sure to share your creations in the comments below. Remember, a happy life begins at the dining table. Okay, bon appétit. See you next time.